And they were growing out of capacity. And as you all probably can imagine, they built a server infrastructure farm to build this billing engine. And as the business grew, they started outgrowing the needs, but they also were constrained from uptime. The facility that they had all their workloads in had one point of entry for energy, had 2 points of connectivity for internet. Okay, so they were somewhat redundant, but they were in Montgomery, Alabama. And if you've ever looked at tornado patterns that come off of the hurricane zones from the Gulf, Huntsville, Montgomery, it's not in a good spot. Long story short, you can only do so much with failover internet and a single point of failure for your energy needs. As irony has it, even though they had 2 different internet providers, they all both went back to the same central office. Most of us are faced with that same issue. That's not PBI's issue, that's everybody's issue. They do serve clients all throughout the United States, and what they chose to do was move, and they're kind of a hybrid model now. They moved 100% of their workloads off-site, so all production environments went to the Nashville data center in Nashville, Tennessee, tier 3 facility. And as they continued to grow, they could scale it accordingly. And they are subscribing to the subscription-based model because they had to somehow level set the budget so they didn't blow everything out of proportion, or they didn't know what the bill was going to be when they received it at the end of the month. Over time, their storage demands have increased so much that what they had to do was they actually brought in a big storage array, and that storage array houses 60% of their storage. The other 60% resides on the hosting provider. And at the end of the day, the 100% uptime is kind of the guarantee that they have with their end users. So once again, they're trying to solve the need for scale, agility, but also they think through the SLAs that they have with their clients. These folks, CSS Industries, is in